is ChrissyBales. Welcome to my channel. Click the link down below right now and subscribe, please. Also, don't forget to follow me in all my social media network: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, username ChrissyBales and ChrissyBales1 for Snapchat. So today I'm with this fabulous, beautiful looking, pretty, gorgeous makeup artist, Joy Adenuga. If you do not know who she is, guys, if you do not know who she is, Google her, please. She's got a website, Instagram, all with the name Joy Adenuga.
Deal.
Guys, so today this whole makeup, this whole look, we did it all on here for you guys. So if you'd like to see how we achieve this amazing, beautiful, gorgeous makeup on my face, please keep watching.
Okay, I'm gonna give your face a quick wipe using Garnier Micellar water.
Smells nice, like.
Then I'm gonna give you a quick spray. You can use MAC Fix Plus, but I like using Smashbox Photofinish primer water. So you have to close your eyes for this. To make sure everything goes into your face, I just use a clean brush and just run that over. Normally on skin that's really oily, I tend to use that as a form of hydration.
Okay.
As well. I'm just going to give you a quick dab of moisturizer. This is a Embryolisse lait cream, so just that little. You don't need a lot.
Okay. I've never. Okay, I have had only one person do my makeup before. That's Dima. But you're like the second person that ever touched my beautiful face.
Oh God.
I'm joking.
This is more. This is like a base as well. I think I put too much.
Okay.
This is just a lip balm. This is by Kiehl's.
Okay.
I'm firstly going to comb through using soap brows. What this does, sorry.
It's okay.
What this does is just keep the hair firmly in place. So eyebrows, I'm using this is Evita Joseph.
So guys, now she's trying to conceal my eyebrows to give it a nice shape. Apparently I was shapeless.
Oh Lord, Chrissy, I didn't say that. Stop telling lies against me.
I'm joking.
Serious. So that's just the brow pencil, then a bit of Anastasia chocolate powder just to set. This is MAC Paint Pots in Lane Low. It's an eyeshadow base, so I used to use
it's like a primer.
Yeah, it's an eyeshadow base. Well, we call it an eyeshadow primer. And I started using a fluffy brush to apply it so I can blend as I go along. Because if you use the synthetic, it's a bit stiff.
So what are you doing now?
I'm applying a transition color. This is MAC eyeshadow in texture.
Okay.
Just using that a transition color. So I'm just applying a deeper crease shade. Just in the out.
Eye out. Okay.
Yeah, close. Then back with the same blending brush. With me, I don't wait till the end to blend. I blend as I go along.
How long have you been doing makeup for, Joy?
I'm going on 8 years, you know.
Oh wow.
Okay, then the trick, because don't forget when I do makeup, I also think of lighting as well. So I tend to apply a lighter and more shimmery shade in the moving area of the lid, which is the middle here, because that picks up the lights. So when the eyes are closed, that looks absolutely stunning against whatever camera you're using.
So would you consider yourself as one of the best makeup artists in the UK?
I don't know about that. I just feel I'm good at what I do. I'm just lining the eyes now with a liquid liner. Okay. Before I do wings, I like to make sure the top is done first. and they're symmetrical. And I'm gonna set that with a black eyeshadow. Later, I'm just gonna add a bit of burgundy just to the side.
Okay.
And this is why I like doing eyes first.
Being freestyle guy.
Yeah, I actually prefer the touch of burgundy.
Guys.
You know, I love my blend. Everything has to look seamless. And if you notice, I prefer to use the tip than the whole brush. Okay, so I'm just cleaning. This is why I do the eyes first. Cleaning out any fallout. And look at that. Drama, baby. I'm happy with the eyes. We're done with the eyes now. We'll come back and tidy it up at the end. So now, time for skin. So we're gonna do priming first. I tend to use more than one primer. Like, she's got your typical combination skin. You can see her T-zones are, well, shiny, and the rest of her face is normal. I'm gonna use Smashbox Photofinish primer.
Oh, that's my favorite primer, you know. I use that all the time on my face.
Okay, so top marks for using the right primer there. As you can see, that's, oh, your skin actually looks good. Look at that. I haven't even used foundation. You know, maybe we could just, should we skip foundation and just go like this?
No. God, she's highlighting my spots.
Again, this is spot correcting. You don't have to put it all over the skin, just where it's needed. If you notice, I didn't put a very big amount. So what I'm applying is, this is Charlotte Tilbury's Wonder Glow.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna put this on just the outer perimeters of the face. Obviously, Wonder T-zones looking quite... Chris is really feeling herself today.
Hello, baby.
Okay. Firstly, I don't tend to use one color all over the face. So this is NARS All Day Luminous Skin Finish. So this is, I'm gonna apply MACAO first, because I tend to use like the deeper shade around the areas that we're gonna contour anyway. And I blend that in. So yes, my turn to ask you a question. Are you seeing anybody lately? Can you spill the tea? We need some exclusive, please.
Am I seeing anyone?
Yes. Are you seeing any? We the viewers. Tell me you don't want to know whether Chris is seeing anybody. Yes.
No, I'm not seeing anyone at the moment.
And as you can see, I don't pack on foundation like that. I tend to put a little blend. Just a bit.
I never really contour with like cream.
Okay. One thing I noticed about cream, it's, do you look more this way? I notice it's a bit more natural than powder.
Really?
Yeah, because cream, don't forget, your skin absorbs cream easily than powder. And I don't like to put it super close to under the eye.
Why not?
Because I need space to blend it into. The other side. And if you notice, as I said, I'm using pressed for this. To actually mattify, I prefer to use pressed and loose powder. So this is more for brightening. Under the highlighting process, I love layering. So I always start with Becca Topaz.
Let's zoom in. Let's get. Oh. Hold on.
Yeah, but that's not blinding. I haven't even started. This is highlighting powder. Just watch this.
Have you tried the Beauty by JJ's one?
No, I haven't. Can you see that?
Ooh.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Like glass, baby.
Ooh.
Because I like the shade so much, so we use this on the nose.
I like it. I like
to
it
be
like that.
Girl, you need to stay still before I give you a zigzag nose. So I'm just adding. These days I don't really use gold in the inner corner. I prefer to use another color.
What color is that?
This is pink.
Ooh.
Yeah, because we'll have. I don't want to overkill the gold all over. I want to use a powder blush, so I'm going to use a cream. So this is MAC Studio Stick. To be honest, you can use a lipstick to be fair. And I'm going to use my fingers. Okay. So I need to smile without showing your teeth. Go in first with a liquid lipstick. So this is Dose of Color Stone. So I'm gonna go with an ultra shimmering lip gloss. This is by Kevyn Aucoin. And
thank you guys so much for watching this video. She literally killed my face. She lit it up. My face just got lit up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also I'd like to say amazing thank you to Joy again.
Thanks for having me.
Literally beating my face. Ooh! Guys, check out the highlight. You ready? All I need now is to find a husband, but I think I'm ready.
We're going out now to get your husband.
Ooh!
Now.